The first step is you have to take the board and put it in the shell this way. So there's the two holes right there where the board gonna go through. Second, you have to align this shell with this end and put this lock at the end and snap it close. There you go. Now we have to put this button right here and snap in. There you go. Now the next part is we have to put this tab in there, the spring with it, there you go, and the cover like that. Now you can see it works now. Now the third part is we put this on top of the and lock it in. There you go. And then this one at the bottom, lock it in right there. And then the battery, and then the cover. Now put the key in. Go, and the cover, back cover right here where that's a hole right there, and this goes in there and snap in. And the last part, the front cover, see that 3 tabs right there, that's supposed to go in there and slide through, and that's it. You're done.